Welcome. In front of me I have Oukitel WP6 and I'm going to show you how you can get this animated galaxy wallpaper on your smartphone. So at the first we have to move for the Play Store. In the search pool we have to type Shadow Galaxy wallpaper. You can go for it from this quick list. You can also input the old name of the application, and there's the application from the maxalus.net. So you have to get this application and install it, and if you got it you can just click open here one more time and then just tap to set as a wallpaper. And when you go back to your home screen you will see on your screen this really cool and animated wallpaper of the galaxy. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.